5 seconds might not seem like a long time, but in the world of high-frequency trading, it is an absolute eternity. You're staring at your monitor. You think you see a perfect breakout. You hit the buy button, but the data you are looking at is already stale. That is the massive hidden trap inside two of the most famous names in stock analysis. One platform is the undisputed veteran. It has been around since the late 90s. It is essentially the grandfather of the digital charting world. They built a massive library of educational content that could fill a dozen textbooks. If you want to layer 100 different technical indicators, or use complex math like Fibonacci retracements to find a pattern, this is where you go. Their charts are deep. They are customizable. You can even monitor 8 different securities at the exact same time. But here is the critical flaw. Their most expensive plan, the one that costs nearly $50 a month, only refreshes every 5 seconds. Think about that for a moment. If you are trying to scalp a fast momentum play, 5 seconds is a lifetime. You are trading on a lag. You are essentially looking into the past. Then you have the competitor that arrived in 2007. Their whole identity is built on pure speed. They want to show you the entire market in one single glance. Those iconic heat maps that show green and red squares for every sector, that started here. Their screener is a legendary beast. It can chew through 10,000 different stocks and spit out 5 candidates in less than a second. It feels like magic when you are hunting for opportunities. But then you try to actually look at a chart. Unless you pay for the elite version, you are looking at static images. No intraday data. No real-time updates. Just a flat picture of what happened hours ago, even if you do upgrade to the premium tier. The charting tools feel basic. They feel dated. It is a very strange trade-off. One platform gives you incredible depth but moves like a turtle. The other gives you incredible speed for finding stocks, but lacks the sophisticated tools to actually analyze them deeply. And the costs will sneak up on you. One charges about $40 a month for the full experience. The other hits $50, but then they add the hidden fees. You want real-time exchange data feeds? That is an extra charge. You want to save more than a few charts? Pay more. It is a constant game of moving the goalposts. Most traders do not realize that neither of these platforms is truly built for the modern-day trader. They are built for swing traders. They are for people who analyze the market after the closing bell. They are for people who have time to sit back and think. If you are trying to catch a move in seconds or minutes, these tools will eventually kill your strategy. The data delays are simply too risky for active scalping. You have to know exactly what you are paying for. Use the fast screener to find your targets quickly. Use the deep charts to study the historical patterns. But do not expect them to keep up with a live, fast-moving market. I spent a lot of time digging into these because I want to save you from wasting money on tools that do not fit your specific style. If this investigation helped you, check the links below. One lets you support me if you decide to buy. The other is just a simple way to help out when you do your normal shopping. It keeps these reviews honest and independent. Stay sharp. Keep questioning the marketing hype. And do not get caught in the lag.